front. Especially for a silk top, this feels like I'm wearing nothing on my head. You guys, this cap feels amazing. It's so lightweight, and I can't get over how much space I have to work with. I can center part, I can deep side on either side. It's really fantastic flexibility with the cap.
This looks awesome. This is really amazing with this piece. It is a 6x7 and it has so much parting space. You can actually part her anywhere. You can basically part her anywhere and it will look so real. With your eye, if you go really close, you cannot tell that it's not coming from your scalp. So it's just an amazing piece.